Right in this video, I will show you how you can get a free $1,000 worth of crypto, and I will show you how you can get it and how you can also make more. Alright, as you can see, I've gotten mine already, and I will show you how you can make more from this. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to check the description and use my referral link. Use my referral link so that you can be able to get this particular opportunity. Alright, so once you get here, just input the details required, your username and your password that you like to use. Alright, so after registering an account with them, the next thing you have to do is to link to Google Authenticator. Alright, so to link to Google Authenticator, simply just click on the link now and it's going to direct you to the next page. Alright, so right here you have to download your Google Authenticator and you proceed by clicking on the next button. So after linking your Google Authenticator, they are going to give you a code. For those of you that know how to use Google Authenticator very well, they are going to give you a code. You just have to paste it right there, and after pasting it, then you are done. Then you can proceed to getting the bonus. As you can see, I have gotten my $1,000 already, and this $1,000 is in Next. They give us in Next. And how are we going to be able to convert this? We are just going to wait patiently for this particular platform to go live, and by the time they go live, we will be able to sell this particular crypto. All right, now this wallet is actually for trading. All right, you can make deposit in the wallet and you can also make withdrawals from the wallet. All right, as you can see, we have the deposit and we also have the withdrawal right here, and they also have the AI trading. All right, it is basically used to make money. All right, and there are a lot of things you need to know about this particular platform. But the first thing you have to understand is how to get this particular money, which is the $1,000, which we are getting for free, and we are waiting for them to launch so that we can be able to convert this to our own money and make money from this particular platform. All right, so now after you've gotten this, and how can you make more from this? All right, so the way you can make more is by inviting your friends. So just click on me right here and you click on invite friends. All right, so when you click on invite friends, the more friends you invite, the more Next you'll be getting. As you can see, register to get 10,000 Next, which is also equivalent to $1,000. all right, so the more friends you invite, just copy your invitation link right here. The more friends you invite, the more Next you'll be getting. All right, so the more Next you'll be getting, and one Next is, so 10 Next is equivalent to $1, and the more Next you get, the more money you'll be making from this particular platform. All right, so as you can see, this is their AI smart trading right here. Everything you need to know is right here, and you can just click on it to know more details about them. All right, about each of them. So this is about this particular free bonus that I just gave out to you. As you can see, this is the Next right here. So you can just mine it until you have some profits and you can make money from this. All right, so this is about this particular video. And before I go, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, the best time to do that is now, so that you can keep getting updates like this from me, and ensure you use my referral link so that you can be able to get this particular opportunity to your advantage. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.